you're going to take this the wrong way, but I think that you should write about something other than yourself.
I mean, nobody writes about anything but themselves.
I don't really give a shit. I'm dying.
Another way. When after all this time that you still love, you're still a god for nothing. I don't know. So take your gloves and get out, ready to get out while you can. Would you have the guts to say I don't love you like I loved you yesterday? Say, hey, hey, hey.